Hi, Thomas and Hannah. Let's see, Hannah, I downloaded yours and Thomas, yours showed up. Okay, so Hannah, I think you're a little confused about the assignment. This is just supposed to be an experimental type piece. It looks to me you just put this into Illustrator and sort of use the brush to trace it. I do like your letters, especially this T. It's, a beautiful sweeping letter, but I want to show you Thomas, he actually created a word out of automotive parts. So that's incredibly creative and will definitely stand out, Thomas, in your movie if you should use this. So I thought that was really nice. My only suggestion for you, Thomas, unfortunately, I hope you did this in layers because it's kind of hard to get stuff to transfer once you put it on black. So in the future, whatever you do in graphic design, try to photograph it on white. But it does look great on black. So Kimberly, let me see what you had to say. Okay, so you didn't really have much to say, but I do like the handwritten take on it. It definitely has a more personal feeling to it. But, I know what it takes to do something like this in Illustrator, and it would have been nice to see something a little more experimental. All right, let me know if you have any questions.